You don't bring her?
Yes, it's the pants.
You sure say this one na pants wey you don dey wear before?
What am I trying to say?
About your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never, you know you cannot make it. Wá rèé torí Ọlọ́run mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí o. What? No be juju be that. Okay. Wristwatch and cup of tea, oh. Wristwatch and cup of tea, oh. What? Jesus is Lord.
This sham walk.
Because
Baba.
Osanova. Pheromone. How you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
You don't bring her?
Yes, it's the pants.
You sure say this one na pants wey you don dey wear before?
What am I trying to say?
Consider it done. This one wey you bring like this, you see, you know I am small but mighty. You don't understand? Èmi gangan ló pè atakere iyọdun. By the time I finish this job for you, Osanova, the boys say dey your area, they go dey fear you. You see this pants wey you bring so, if I enter this place now, use am touch the god's head, come back. Osanova, once you wear am, go sit down for junction. Make all the boys say dey your area, they look your. Make a doctor can. Make they look the part for there. You understand? Once they look at like all of them go they turn cripple from there. You don't they use their destiny be that.
Today?
No, yesterday. I they come. Have it.
So
you can go. Are you doubting the gods of Ogologo?
Doubt cake. Can I
do what?
Remove it. Just want to check it. Like, can I wear it now?
Yeah, you can wear it.
No, I'm asking.
Wear it now and you show me now. It's like your brain. It's like your brain is doing over everything. Alakuba, Adobuti no more thing could just know. Emilo Veshi Pataon. God, they punish you. Have you missed that?
Now, so they go out, go they wait for money remain like this. Make I they enjoy myself. They go better for me. Somebody here. Oba.
Oga, no be wetin we discuss with this.
Funke, wristwatch and cup of tea, oh. Wristwatch and cup of tea, oh. What? Jesus is Lord.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you. Please subscribe to Mstarcomedytv on YouTube to get more entertaining and more comedy videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe to Mstarcomedy on YouTube to get daily entertainment videos. Thank you very much.